bright and beautiful day, isn't it?
That it does appear to be. The flowers are blooming. The sun is beaming.
Bee, can you come over to my classroom, please? My kid friends have a surprise for you.
Be delighted to.
Kids, say hello to Mr. B, the second letter of the alphabet. Hello, Mr. B.
Hello, beautiful babies. I heard you have a surprise for me.
Before we show you our surprise, can you please tell the kids a little bit about you and what you like?
I am brave, big, and blue.
So true, so true. Can you also name a few things that start with you?
Bob the train.
Oh, you are right. So I do. Bob begins with B.
Bicycle. Butterfly. Bubbles. Balloons.
Those are beautiful things, B. You're the best.
Thank you, Bob.
What's that, Mr. B?
It's a bee.
Hello, Miss B. Aha! You want to know what the surprise is? B, are you ready for the big surprise?
Yes, Bob. I am so excited.
Happy birthday to B, brave, big, and blue bee. Happy birthday to you. A cake we baked for you too. Happy birthday to you.
Ah, that is so thoughtful and beautiful. I want to say a big thank you by showing how easy it is to draw me.
That's a brilliant idea. Jill, can you show everyone how to write the letter B? Sure, Bob. Very good, Jill. Kids, that's how you start to write the letter B. Draw a line from the top to the bottom. What do I do next, Bob? Go back to the top and then draw around to the middle. Now, starting at the middle, go around to the bottom. Wow, Bob, that's the letter B. Yes, Jill. Now do it all by yourself. Draw a line from the top and go straight down. Then go back to the top and draw around to the middle. And finally, from the middle, go around to the bottom. Very good, Jill. You make writing B look so easy.
Looks just like me. Brilliant, Jill.
Jill is such a good artist, B.
You bet she is, Bob.
Before you go, would you like to hear a song I wrote just for you?
Does it have beats?
Bouncy beats!
Ooh, I want to hear it.
The sun beams and the flowers bloom when B comes out to play from Sunday to Monday when B comes out to play. Big and blue is B, always bright and full of glee. That's our beautiful B, that's our busy B. Brave and happy is B, chatty and cheery as you can see. That's our buddy B, that's our busy B. The sun beams and the flowers bloom, 'cause it's BB's birthday today! Big and blue is B, 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 always bright and full of glee. That's our beautiful B, 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 B. That's our busy B, B, B. Brave and happy is B, B, B. Chatty and cheery as you can see. That's our buddy B, 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 B. That's our busy B, B, B.
Bless you, Bob, and your beautiful babies. That was the best birthday ever.
Yes, it was. Kids, it's time to say bye-bye to Birthday Boy. Letter B. We will be back soon.
Bye-bye.
Be happy.